Thank you for your interest in WorldSmart 4.0's demonstration. Before I get started, PanTerra is the first unified communications service provider to offer a 100% cloud-based delivery and usage platform. With WorldSmart 4.0, the fourth generation for WorldSmart, we've introduced the Unified Command Center, which offers micro-chat, multiple row and column viewing. We've also included and improved click-to-call management, group management and display inside the UCC panel, improved unified contact database, and all your communications are archived in the cloud. No longer will you need applications on this computer or on site to run any WorldSmart service. So to log into WorldSmart 4.0, you point your browser at the 4.0 homepage. Use your login credentials. As you can see here, very useful information on your left for support. On the right-hand side, a picture of you, which all of your buddies will see in the WorldSmart environment. Storage summary, as well as important information. Right here from the important information, you can make changes to your extension. You can set your daily routing plan right here on the fly without logging into your extension. With WorldSmart 4.0, under the personal settings, we've improved and added themes, which is the color and the layout of your home page. Desktop widgets, this is your ability to turn on and off these items here that opened up at launch. Also your picture, you have the ability to upload your picture and crop it. Under your voice settings, we've added click-to-call functionality. This is your default phone that you would like to be called when you're using click-to-call, both from your contact as well as in future releases with Outlook. If I would like my soft phone to be reached every time I did click-to-call, if I'd like my IP phone to be reached. You can also add PSTN phones, such as your cell phone. So if you're on the road, you want to do a click-to-call, you want to use your cell phone, you can select it here. Also, in future releases, we're going to allow you to select none as the default, and whenever you use click-to-call, it'll give you a drop-down menu of all of your existing phones, and then you would use that phone to click to dial from. Also in WorldSmart 4.0, we've included a voicemail on-screen player, so you can actually play your voicemails right from your computer. You can see the time that the voicemail arrived, the duration of it. You can download it to send it to different people, and you could move the player bar right inside the browser. With email, this is our WorldSmart 4.0 email, which includes groupware, contacts, synchronized calendar. It's a great feature in replacement for services such as Microsoft Exchange. WorldSmart 4.0 introduces a 100% browser-based soft phone. All the call commands, ability to access your new contact database, do not disturb, transfer. WorldSmart 4.0 also set the foundation in the fax for how UCC will manage all of your communications. So you can see here, you send a fax, you select the fax, enter the fax number. You can review your faxes sent. You can review your faxes received, all from a single screen. Now, Unified Command Center, this is really where the power of WorldSmart 4.0 came in, and this is where a lot of the effort was at. With WorldSmart 4.0, you have a ability now to open a micro browser inside the window. You have the ability to create actions right there from the desktop. If you'd like to share your desk, send a file, create an email, make a phone call. Remember, click to dial is initiated here. Transfer a file. You can also look at chat history. You can also look at emails, compose, send an email. You can also look at voicemails from the individual. Also from the UCC panel, you can drop the whole UCC panel to the desktop, as you can with any of the icons that I went through today. From the UCC panel, you have the ability to quickly send an SMS to non-WorldSmart users. You can actually select from your contact database as well. You have the ability to create an IM conference, which is the ability to add WorldSmart users to a group, transfer files, share desk, instant message to a group of individuals. You have the ability to launch a web conference with a web conference initiated on Communicator and above seats. Element seats also can have this add-on. This gives you the ability to do a web conference, share your desk, share files, do whiteboarding with WorldSmart and non-WorldSmart users. Also, back to the UCC panel, you have the ability to add buddies. You have the ability to change the status right there on the fly. You have the ability to see groups of people now, and this is an administrative setting. You can, from an administrator standpoint, set up groups to be viewed on all the WorldSmart account users, or at a personal level, you can set up your own groups to be displayed in a manner that you would like. So groups can be collapsed. All the colleagues could be collapsed. All the groups could be expanded only. It's your preference, and these are settings that are remembered in the cloud. Also on the sorting, you have the ability to sort as you did in 3.5 by last name, first name, mobile message only users, all users by user ID. Now, some of the enhancements that we've done to UCC include the ability to expand this out now. You have multiple columns, multiple rows. You have the ability to have multiple instant message sessions or multiple chat sessions or multiple communication sessions. You have the ability to see any voicemails, emails with the individuals. Also inside this window, I have the ability to look at my voicemails right here on my player. Player's right inside the micro chat. This is very powerful. Again, you could drop this to the desktop, communicate different actions with the individuals, have multiple windows open at the same time. Currently today there are no products like UCC or WorldSmart 4.0. We were the first to market. So moving on with WorldSmart 4.0, we've also changed the contact database now to be unified for all the communications associated with WorldSmart, as well as personal contacts now. So when creating contact, add personal information. You can add custom fields. Under the corporate contacts, you have the ability to add custom fields. You can see here what my default phone is. That's for my click-to-call settings. So now I have the ability to click to call and dial any personal information or work-related information directly from Unified Command Center. So this concludes my demonstration of WorldSmart 4.0. Again, PanTerra is the first and only 100% cloud-based delivery and usage service provider. With WorldSmart 4.0, we've introduced Unified Command Center with the micro chat, improved click-to-call, and group management. We've also implemented the new Unified Contact Database, which allows you personal contacts as well as group contacts and WorldSmart contacts. All the communications are archived in the cloud, allowing you to log in from any browser to get access to your personal settings and messages. And we further eliminated all on hardware and software to manage for anyone using, deploying, or administering WorldSmart 4.0. Thank you and have a great day.